Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So this is going to be a quick lesson this time, and what we're going to do, in the previous video we actually did some updates to the opponent punch left, right and low and high kick, and we're just going to do the same for the player now. So I have all the player scripts open and one of the opponents, just so we can copy and paste code to make this easy. And it is going to be exactly as we did before, so I'm copying the head collider, head hit collider dot is trigger, and we're pasting that into the void start. And again, we're coming to the void update, and we might as well copy the two if blocks that we adjusted, where we return if the opponent is punching right and enable and disable as applicable. So let's paste this into one of the player punch right actually we're doing, so let's copy and paste it into there, and we're just going to switch out the naming conventions. And then we can delete the old if blocks, and we'll just go through and tidy up and change the comments. So all we need to do in this case is change opponent player in the comments, and that's all we need to do, and we just have to do it for the other scripts now. So let's come to the play punch left, and we'll just copy and paste in the two if blocks again. Swap out the variable from return punching right to return punching left. We'll get rid of the old if blocks, and we'll just change the comment again. And we've just got to keep going now, so let's do the high kick. And again, I'm putting all these lines in the same order. So high kick, we no need to copy the if blocks, we just need the is trigger line. And just remembering to tidy up and change the comments also. And now we'll do the last one for the low kick. So this time we need to change head hit collider to body hit collider. and I'll put it first when we set it to false. Let's just change that comment. So let's save that off there. And we'll just do a quick test to make sure there's no glitchiness. So quite simple video this time. Now, a word of note, after doing this you may need to change these values here. I know I will have to for my project, so you will probably need to tinker for yours. Just to avoid any problems with registering hits, but that's again not a problem. Let's just test everything out. We'll come to the console, just make sure there is no errors again. So we've actually fixed a lot of this now. So from this point on you may notice some other glitches that may crop up, or as you are testing out yourself, don't worry about those. We will be coming back and we'll keep doing these update fixes and tweaks videos every so often throughout the project, just to tidy up or fix any little problems we may have in our project. But we're going to leave it here for this video. But first I just want to say, in the next video we're just going to make some updates to our control method, and then after that we'll be carrying on with the project, implementing new things. So if you have a preference as to what you want me to do next, whether you want me to carry on with the special moves or do something different and come back to the special moves later, there's time to still vote, and please do so just by leaving a comment in the video. So we'll leave it here for now. As always, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.